Hello PCB engineers, welcome back. Today we bring you a creative DC motor speed controller PCB project. Watch how smoothly the motor speed changes as we rotate the potentiometer. Simple, powerful, and perfect for electronics lovers. Hello engineers, for this project we ordered a custom PCB and finally received it. So engineers, as you can see, we received two different PCB types for this project. If you also want quality PCBs, comment below. We've tried many PCB companies and will share the best trusted websites with you. The PCB is packed really well and securely. Now let's open it carefully with a cutter, and as you can see, the inner board has been revealed. The build quality looks really solid and clean, exactly what we need for a stable circuit. The tracks and finishing are well done. Now, let's begin assembling the PCB circuit carefully. Engineers, now let's talk about the heart of this circuit, the components. Because every circuit gets its life only from good quality parts. We always prefer trusted and reliable component brands, so the performance stays stable and long-lasting. In electronics, even a small low-quality component can affect the whole project. That's why we use tested and genuine parts for better accuracy and safety. If you want, you can comment below. We'll share the best trusted component companies with you. For the upcoming project, this is an essential component, and its screenshot can also be shared. We now secure the PCB in the helping hand tool, then carefully install the remaining components. My engineers, I just want to say that reading your comments truly makes me happy. The amazing thing is that whenever you share ideas or project concepts in the comments section, our entire team gets energized and immediately starts working on them with full passion and dedication. In fact, this project was inspired by a comment from John Vanel, so a huge thank you to him for this incredible idea. We sincerely hope this project turned out exactly the way you wanted. Our team worked really hard to make sure every detail matched your expectations and delivered something exciting for all engineers watching. Your support and feedback motivate us every single day. So keep commenting, keep sharing your innovative ideas, and keep challenging us with new projects. If you have any custom project in mind, you can also get it developed through our team. We are always excited to create something new for this amazing engineering community. Thank you all for your continuous support, and stay connected for more innovative projects ahead. Engineers, while doing the soldering work, make sure you handle the circuit very carefully and with full attention. Always follow proper safety precautions while using soldering tools and electronic components. Wear safety glasses if possible and work in a safe, clean environment. Remember, your safety is the most important thing because you all are the future engineers and innovators. Build amazing projects, but always work smart, safely, and responsibly. As you can see, the soldering work is now fully completed. The circuit board looks extremely solid, clean, and professionally built. So now it's time to test the circuit. For testing, we are bringing in a DC motor and carefully connecting its wires to the circuit's wire mount using a screwdriver. Make sure the wire connections are tight and properly secured before powering the circuit. Now we also connect the power supply wires to the wire mount securely using a screwdriver, ensuring a safe and stable power connection for the circuit. All the wiring is now properly completed and securely connected. Everything looks perfect and well organized. So now, let's switch it on and see our circuit in action. Engineers, as you can see, the circuit is working perfectly. The more you adjust the potentiometer, the more precisely you can control the speed of the DC motor. The system is responding smoothly, and the motor speed changes accurately according to the potentiometer settings. If you really enjoyed this amazing project and learned something new today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more innovative engineering projects and creative builds. We're always working hard to create exciting new projects for our amazing engineering community. Stay connected for the next innovative build. Keep supporting us and keep exploring new ideas. Goodbye, engineers, and see you in the next project.